What is up, YouTube? Welcome to another episode of Dive Addiction. Today we're going to be out of the water and in the pumpkin show. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and smash that bell icon for more videos. I always get people asking me if riding one wheel in the street is street legal. And actually, I'm supposed to ride it in the street because I'm not allowed to ride it on the sidewalk. Now what I'm doing here, slightly questionable. But the cops didn't seem to mind. They're out there having a good time, I guess, enjoying that overtime pay. Everybody was pretty cool. Now, like I said, this is the busiest day of the week for Pumpkin Show. And right up here is where I start rethinking my idea of riding a one wheel in a crowd this big. But as you'll see throughout this video, not only did my one wheel do amazing going through this crowd, if you want to feel like a celebrity, ride a one wheel through a crowd this big. Everybody wants to stop and talk to you, wave at you, ask you questions. So I'm just going to answer some of those questions here in just a minute. One thing I love about the one wheel is everybody's expressions. You get smiles, stares of disbelief. People just want to know, what is it? Where'd you get it? Did you build it? How does it work? There's a lot of questions associated with the one wheel, but everybody has to stop and stare. You can't help yourself. It's such an odd thing to see working. You just don't know how it works. And sometimes I just gotta mess with you and tell you that it's got ESPN. It follows all the good players' leads. Now, it's actually really interesting. It's got gyros in it. It takes a bunch of measurements a second. It anticipates what you're doing and what it needs to do. It's really intuitive. No remote needed. It is absolutely hands-free, and it makes it amazing for videoing, talking on your phone, doing whatever. You can do something in both hands. I do it all the time.
Whoa, that is sick!
Appreciate it. And like you just heard there, you get comments, reactions, non-stop while you're on it. It's absolutely amazing to ride in a crowd. It's a lot easier to get through the crowd than I thought. Now, I do have a lot of experience on this one wheel, and I've rode it over 500 plus miles. What's up, man?
In Hollywood himself.
Yeah, that's right.
Hey, man. How you doing all that filming, man?
The easiest way possible.
That's pretty cool. I'll give it to you.
It's the easiest way to film, dude.
Oh, man, if I didn't know you, I'd call you Cornball.
Hey, I'll be Cornball.
Hey, it's all right, man.
How's it going, brother?
Yeah, be safe, brother.
But if you're trying to hide from somebody in a crowd, this is not the mode of transportation you should be doing it on. This dad over here on the left. You see that? You see that right there? That's them dad reflexes. This girl right here, she has to pet the puppy. So fluffy! Yeah, everybody out here today was super cool. Wanted to see what was going on with the camera. And this girl right here, she gets her first YouTube debut. I beat her dad to the punchline. right here in this photo bomb. I love it. I love it. That makes me happier than getting photo bomb. I get some really, really good photo bombs in this one. If you ever had the opportunity to check out the Circleville Pumpkin Show next year when it's in town, highly recommend it. There's great food, games, prizes, rides. These fluffy dogs right here, love them. I will always slow down for a dog, a photo bomb, or a smile. Love it. This dude right here, his photo bomb kills it. Yeah, dude. They were too slow to the party, man. Too slow to the party. She yelled for it. I had to let her photo bomb. This lady's face right here is priceless on the right next to the girl with the hat and dog. I had to slow it down just for that one. I love these type of camera shots. This is one you can't really do in the summertime, but you can do it in the fall. My favorite part is when I go back and I look at the video and I see things that I would have never seen any other way. Because I did not realize that this lady did this. And it is hilarious. I don't know who you are, but you're freaking awesome. If you know who that is, tag her and get her to watch this, because that was epic. That and the Scarecrow. The Scarecrow was the first one to point me out that I had the camera sitting down there. Let's go, Brandon. Right here's another awesome photo bomb. Love it, love it. Here's another really good one. She was so happy to do that. They got me earlier. Her and her mom got me earlier. She had the bubbles. This little dude was getting it. This girl right here, cheesing ear to ear. She's so happy. I couldn't not put her in. This dude, he didn't know what to do, but he tried. He tried. That's all that matters. Distance peace sign, and dude was cheesing. Those ones are hilarious. They never expect you to stop and actually let them photobomb you. They don't know what to do. This one I wasn't even expecting. That was a good one. These pumpkins that are carved right here, absolutely amazing. I have no idea how long they took. I wasn't here for that. Kind of like slip in. This one right here on the right, it was one pumpkin. They cut it into a bunch of pieces, stacked them up, and then carved that. It's pretty freaking awesome. Brutus was actually a pain to get a video of because there were so many people standing around. I love getting photobombed by the cops.
Multi-talent right now.
Oh yeah. That makes me happy. It lets you know they're out there having a good time, protecting the people. All the cops up at Pumpkin Show are absolutely awesome. Then we got this guy. I'm nominating him for Dad of the Pumpkin Show, at least for my video. He's got a son up on his shoulders and he is getting it to the music. You know that kid is having the time of his life up there. You got Jeremy up here on the podium. He's recording for the Scioto Post. He's always making sure he's getting good stories and putting them on Facebook. If you're not following the Scioto Post on Facebook, highly recommend you slide over there and check it out. He's always putting up some good stuff. Very informative. He's saved me from getting stuck in traffic coming up out of Circleville many times. Like I said, it just draws attention. Another more photo bombs. Appreciate it.
I'll get it.
And you know, time to time I get people ask me, hey, can I try your one wheel? Absolutely. You see me out and you want to try the one wheel? Just holler at me. I'll probably let you try it if I'm not
lift
busy.
your heel on the front foot. Yeah. These things are awesome.
This is not sped up. This is just, you know, I've got pretty good control over this one wheel, and that's how I like to ride. You know, I didn't hit anybody at all while I was out there. My camera bag bumped a few people as I was going between them. The lights look so amazing on video too.
That's right, buddy. How you doing? Nice scooter you got there.
I kind of really like this camera angle. I mean, I don't know why. It just looks really cool. Like, it kind of makes me want to mount some cameras to my front and back ankle. But see, the way my bank account's set up, that's not gonna happen for a while, because you can't tell by the name of the channel, I've got a dive addiction, and diving is not for peasants. But that's why all the time people be asking me,
Hey, money man, how you making all that money, man?
well, today I'm working on getting enough subscribers to start getting some ad revenue on my videos. My dude Steve in his Let's Go Brandon shirt. Yeah, boy. Just showing how empty all these tables are. Those were completely full earlier in the week. And they are completely sold out of pumpkins almost. More photo like these dolly style shots too. They're really easy to get good dolly shots on the one wheel. I don't have a hyper smooth on or anything on the GoPro right now. This dude right here, I don't know who it is. Or put a name with his face to save my life. But I know he knows me because he calls me by my name later on in the video, but I didn't stop and really say much, so. And it's starting to rain. I'm like, it'll go away. It'll go away. But I had to take my mics off of my GoPro because of the rain. And some of the audio is crap because of it. Like right here, I run into my boy Marquise. Audio is absolutely crap because of the shotgun mic picking up everybody in front of the camera.
Going home, man.
Riding around, having fun.
Alright, man.
Get photobombed by everybody.
Gonna be here all night?
Probably.
Alright, I'll catch up with you.
Alright, man, I'll see you.
See you.
See, it does really good pinpointing once it's got something specific to pick up. But in a crowd like this, shotgun mic isn't what you want. Yeah, for anybody wondering, I'm running a GoPro Hero 10 and I'm running on a selfie stick. And before it started raining, on some of the audio clips where I let them play over, I was using my Rode Wireless Go 2 microphone. Just a quick shot of some of the shots, old dollar style shot. It's kind of hard to get shots like this when there's so many people around. Seeing stuff like in this shot just makes me happy. Seeing people, catching up, meeting for the first time in a while, giving each other a hug. Just something about catching that on video is always nice. Well, hey, if you guys have stuck in with me this long, I really appreciate you watching. I'm glad that you guys enjoyed my video long enough to stay this far. I highly recommend hitting the like button and hit the subscribe button and that bell so you get notified when I post another video. Thanks everybody for riding with me through the pumpkin show. It's been a fun ride.